Alright guys, 9 o'clock update for Milton and Orlando. It's getting a little windier, it's getting a lot more raining. We finally have surpassed the 4 inches of rain, and of course the worst is yet to come. It will be 3 o'clock in the morning, I guess, before it's directly over us, so we still have a lot of wind and rain left. But I will keep you posted, and I will keep taking these videos, showing you guys some of the wind and stuff. This is actually kind of a calm moment for what it's been doing. You can see how it's gusting and picking up a little bit. So there's going to be plenty more to see, that's for sure.